So we train them to take liquids just past the mouth. Dolphins don't have a gag reflex because their mouth only connects to their stomach. So they don't have to chew their food, they can just go and swallow it down. And we can go and give them water or vitamins using these tubes. So we will use world's famous judges' paintings there. So yes, if you see inside a dolphin's mouth, they have about 102 teeth max, usually 72 to 104 cone-shaped teeth. We're asking on that fish. Let's focus on that. Stopping hasn't quite figured out yet. Because as good as they are at swimming, believe it or not, they are not that great. It's like humans. We don't know how to walk when we're first born. We don't even know how to crawl. Same thing with dolphins. When a dolphin is first born, they've been tucked up in mom for 52 weeks. There's very little muscle development there. They are incredibly loose and wiggly. So it takes a lot